How to fix system UI error on Android phone. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. But it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on any Android that you have. So what you want to go ahead and do is firstly try ahead and force memory refresh and force restart. So hold the physical power button and volume down button simultaneously. Keep holding both these buttons down until your screen cuts completely black. So just keep holding it down even past the screen and let go when you feel a physical vibration and you see your phone's like brand logo appear. Now, what you also want to do is clear corrupted system cache. What you want to do is go over to your settings, then go ahead and scroll down until you find apps. Then from here, all you're going to do is press this little area here, and where you want to show system apps, go ahead and press that. Now you want to look for system UI. So obviously just go over to S. You're going to have a bunch of different applications installed, but go over to S and just locate system UI, which is going to be on SY. So we're just going to go over to that right now. And then once you basically find it, you're going to see system UI is one of the options. Go to storage. And then what you want to do is clear the cache and then restart your phone and you should be good to go.